Guys, do you ever wondered as a chemical engineer why chemical plants are using distillation column while they are being using so much of energy? Because some chemical plants burn more energy separating molecules than making them. Distillation is one of the oldest separating techniques available in the chemistry world, and it's still everywhere. All refineries, chemical plants, pharmaceutical, even the alcohol production. But here's the catch: distillation is incredibly energy hungry. A distillation column works by boiling a mixture and separating components based on its boiling points. The lighter molecule is, the higher it will rise as a vapor, the heavier will be falling out somewhere as a liquid. And inside the column, this happens over and over and over again on the trays or the packing layers, creating hundreds of tiny I can say VLE, liquid equilibria. And from a perspective as a chemical engineer, it's something a massive scale controlled phase equilibrium situation. But the problem here is the heat. You need huge amount of energy to vaporize the liquid at the bottom of the column, and the more energy to condense the vapor at the top. And in fact, distillation accounts for a significant fraction of the total energy being used in the chemical industry worldwide. So I was wondering why not we replace it, and I started researching about it, and I got a somewhat solution, or I guess answer, that distillation is reliable. It scales well, it's produced high purity products, and works for enormous range of chemicals. And alternatives are available, although membrane, adsorption, non-extraction, which can save energy but are limited to the specific systems. And thus, chemical engineers are focused more on distillation, or better to improve the distillation instead of abandoning it. It's like having the heat integrations, multiple effect columns, dividing wall columns, better tray or packaging designs. These all are being modified or being done. Distillation isn't ineffective because engineers are lazy. It's inefficient because separating similar molecules is fundamentally harder, which I found ultimately after my research. And sometimes the most energy intensive process is still the best tool we have. So follow for more chemical engineering and technology facts explained very simply.